With all the different types of wine openers and videos out there describing ways to open up a bottle of wine, it can get a little confusing sometimes.
So today, we're going to teach you how to open up a bottle of wine like a pro. Hi, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ken, and we're Wine Therapy. So in today's video, we're going to start off by talking about what a sommelier is, just in case there are some wine novices out there, because we consider sommeliers pros of the wine industry.
And then we'll go over a waiter's corkscrew and the different parts to it, because that is the most common corkscrew around.
And then at the end, we'll talk about how to open up a bottle of wine to impress your friends. So be sure to stick around for that part.
Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn more about wine.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a video.
A sommelier is a trained wine professional that studies regions, types of grapes, winemaking, wine laws in various countries, and knows how to serve and recommend types of wines to you at a restaurant. Sommeliers must pass a certification exam, and there are multiple levels to becoming a sommelier, such as introductory, certified, advanced, and master. Just as a side note, there are very few master sommeliers in the world, and the test has only around a 7 or 8% passing rate. So sommeliers are the experts at opening bottles of wine. Most often, sommeliers use what is referred as a waiter's corkscrew to open bottles.
So why don't we talk about that next? So in case you're unfamiliar with it, this is a waiter's corkscrew. A waiter's corkscrew has several different parts to it. It includes the knife or foil cutter, a worm, or also referred to as the corkscrew portion, the body or handle, the lever, the ledge, a hinge, and with corkscrews you can either have a single hinge or double hinge. The one that we have here is a single hinge just because, again, it only bends in one area. And then you have the bottle opener as well. So a bottle opener is used for beer or other types of liquor that require a bottle opener. For a single hinged one like we have, the bottle opener is on the inside. For a double hinged one, the bottle opener is typically on the outside.
To start off, to open a bottle of wine, you want to cut the foil under the lip of the bottle. One pass in the front and one pass in the back. Twist the corkscrew or worm into the middle of the cork until one curl remains on top. It gives you better leverage to remove the cork, and it prevents you from piercing the cork and getting the cork into the wine. Try not to spin the bottle itself, but rather spin the corkscrew to make it look more professional. Put the ledge of the waiter's corkscrew on the lip of the bottle. Hold the ledge on the lip with your thumb to help keep the ledge from slipping off while removing the cork. Pull on the handle until 3/4 of the cork is out of the bottle. Use your hand to twist the cork the remainder of the way out of the bottle.
Also, you'll often see sommeliers typically carry around a cloth with them. I know it's typically white, but at home we would recommend having a dark one, just in case you like to drink red wine.
Use this dark cloth to wipe any broken cork or sediment from the bottle opening. Then you're ready to pour your wine. After pouring your wine, wipe the bottle with the cloth to prevent dripping onto your table or your clothes.
Also, pro tip, try to get good at opening up a bottle of wine holding it the entire time. So try not to rest it on the table. That's the way sommeliers do it, and it'll make you look a lot more like a pro.
And it's that easy. Be sure to practice using a waiter's corkscrew before showing off to your friends.
We'll leave a link to our favorite waiter's corkscrew in the description below.
What do you use to open a bottle of wine? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you in our next video.
Cheers.